Hello everyone, welcome to the ConnectSoft Infotech YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed our channel, so kindly subscribe right now. Also press the bell icon to get the latest update from our site. Okay, so today we are going to see the program to print the inverted right angle triangle pattern. Inverted right angle triangle pattern with the fixed digit and alphabets. Suppose if you enter the number of rows, that is 5, I want to print a start in this pattern. In the first row 5 star, in the second row 4 star, in the third row 3 star, in the fourth row 2 star, in the last one, that is the fifth row, in the 1 star in this pattern. If you enter the number of row, that is a 5, in the first row I want a 1 5 times in the first row, 2 in the 4 times in the second row, 3 in the 3 in the 3 times in the third row, 4 in the 2 times, okay, in the fourth row, 5 in the fifth row, just 5 only. Okay, so with alphabets also, if you enter the 5, 5a, then 4b, 3c, 2 d's and only 1 e. Okay, this is pattern. Also if you enter the number of rows, that is 5, I want to print the inverted right angle triangle with then fixed numbers of digit. Okay, if you enter the 5, so 5 5 5 5 times, 4 times 4, 3 times 3, 2 times 2 and 1 times 1. If you enter the nth number of row, that is a 5, so again I want to print the inverted right angle triangle pattern like this way. E. Suppose if you enter the 5, that is a last word, that is our last character, means alphabet, that is what, E, capital E 5 times, capital D 4 times, okay, capital C 3 times, then 2 times B and 1 times A only. Okay, so I want to print such a pattern. Okay, so let us take here. Yeah, let us see. Okay, how we are going to print this pattern. So the first pattern I want to print, if you enter the nth number of row, okay, suppose you are entering the nth number of row, that is what, 5. So I want to print the first row, that is a 5 star. Okay, in the second row I want to print here what, how many star, 4 star. In the third row 3 star. Okay, in the second row 2 star, and then the last row, that is 1 star. Okay, so it's a inverted right angle triangle pattern with the fixed digit, that is asterisk. Okay, I want to print this one. So see here. Okay, so right here the variable n is equal to do the typecasting. Okay, so input we are going to write here, enter the what, number of rows. Okay, enter the number of rows. Yes. So yeah, what is the logic then here? Okay, see, suppose you are entering n is equal to 5. Okay, so I want what, 5 in the number of 5 in the first row. Okay, 5 means 5 star, 5 asterisk. Okay, so if you enter the 5, then I want 5 times asterisk in the first row. So how it can be possible? Okay, yeah, so take a look for I in a range. Okay, for I in a range of what, n. Okay, yes, then what are the possibilities values for I that is start from 0 1 2. Okay, if you taken n is equal to 5, suppose, then what are the possibilities values for the I, n minus 1. Okay, means so 0 1 2 3 and 4. So how much times this loop will get execute? 5 times. Okay, so then print. Okay, then print, what you need to print, I want to print your asterisk. Okay, star asterisk. Yes, how much times you want to print this asterisk? Okay, give the space here. Yeah, so how much times you want to print this one, asterisk? Okay, asterisk, how many times? Okay, so see here this logic first. Okay, when n is equal to 5, if you entered, then what is the possibilities values for the I is going to become a 0 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, these are the 5 possibilities values. Now, so the print, what you need to print here, asterisk. Okay, how much times this asterisk you want to print here? How much times? First, okay, how much times you want to print this one? Nth number of times? Yes. I, okay, how much times you want to print? I first. Okay, if you enter the 5, then 5 star I want to print, means you can write here n minus, okay, so n minus I times. Okay, so n minus I times. Okay, so here n is equal to 5, 5 minus I is what? When, okay, when I is equal to 0, then n minus I. Yes, definitely they can give here space. Yeah, okay, 3 4 5 will be print. Okay, yes, in the first row it will be print again, then I is going to become what? 1. Okay, so 5 minus I is a 1, 5 minus 1, that is what? 4. So definitely it will going to be print of 4 times. Okay, then I is going to become a what? 2. Okay, then how many times star strict will be print? 3 times. Okay, 3 times. Then when I is going to become a 3, okay, then how much times it will print? N minus I. Okay, 5 minus 3, that is what? 2 times. Yes, 2 times this will be print. Okay, when I is going to become a 4, okay, then asterisk will print what? 1 time. Then I is going to become a 5, that is what? Not possible. Okay, yes. So what are the possibilities value of for I when we are entering the value of n is equal to 5? Okay, the 5 times 0 to 4. Okay, that is okay. So whether this our logic is work or not, this is our logic. Okay, yes. So here you can write what? N minus I times. Okay, remove this everything. Yeah. Now let us check our program whether it is working or not. Okay, nth number of rows, suppose 5. Yes, perfect, it is working. Nth number of rows 3. Yes, it is working. Nth number of rows 10. Okay, you can observe here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 up to the 1. Okay, it's clearly working. Yes, yes. Okay, now I want to print the next pattern. Okay, so this is about this pattern. Now the next pattern I want to print here. Okay, next pattern. What is the next pattern? If you enter nth number of row, that is 5, so I am to print 1 1 1 1 5 times, 2 4 times, 3 3 times, 2 2 times, and 1 okay, sorry, yeah, yeah, 1 4 5 times, 2 4 times, 3 3 times, 4 2 times, and 5 1 times. Okay, yeah, this pattern. If you enter n is equal to 3, suppose I want to enter n is equal to 3, then what do you want to get output? Which pattern you want? Okay, yeah, this pattern I want. Yes, so now observe carefully. In the first row, okay, this one symbol is printing and repeating. Okay, one symbol is printing, but okay, if you enter the 3, then I want to print here 1. So how it can be possible? Okay, so here you can write what in the form of str. Okay, take in the str of what? N is equal to 3. Okay, so how we can write? To find here 1 means n minus, what we need to write here? N minus str of n minus what? Okay, str of, you can write here what? Str of, you can write n plus, okay, yeah, n plus I. Okay, str of n plus I means it is going to become a what? 4. No, then yeah, I is what? 0 0 plus 1, that's it. Yeah, I plus 1 means 0. First of all, 0 plus 1, that is 0. How many times you want to print here? How many times you want to print? N into n minus I times. Okay, n into n minus I times. Yes, definitely it will be work or not. Yes. So let us check here first. If you enter if you enter the n is equal to 3, okay, what are the possibilities value for the I is equal to 0, 1 and 2, 3 values. Okay, now when I is equal to 0, then what is going to be print? Str of I plus 1, I plus 0 plus 1, 1 will be print. How much times? N minus I times. Okay, n minus I times. N is what? 3. 3 minus 0, 3. 3 times. Okay, you are getting, yeah, perfect. Now in the when I is equal to become a 1, then what? Okay, str of I plus 1. Okay, what is the value of I plus 1 means 1 plus 1, that is, it is going to become what? 2. 2. How much times? What is the value of n? 3. 3 minus I. What is the value of y? 1. Okay, means 3 minus 1, that is what? 2 times. Okay, only 2 times. 2 times 2 will be print. Then when I is going to become a 2, okay, when I is going to become a 2, then str of I plus 1, what is the value of I? 2. 2 plus 1, that is what? 3. 3. 3 into, okay, number of times. Okay, n minus I. What is value of n? N is 3. 3 minus 2, that is what? 1. Okay, only 1 times 3 will be print. Okay, yes, this is our logic is working perfectly. Okay, let us check the output now. Yes, let us check the output. Okay, it's an inverted right angle triangle. Okay, so enter the number of rows, 3. Perfect. Okay, enter the number of 5. It's perfect. Okay, you can give the one space, guys. Okay, so it will look like better. Yes, take one space here. Okay, concatenate. Okay, just concat. Okay, give one space, that's it. And let us now we can check, execute. Yeah, so number of rows 5. Okay, then number of rows suppose 3. Yes, number of rows suppose 10. Perfectly you are getting 1 1 1 1. Okay, yes, perfect. Yes, you're observing. Yeah, perfectly you are getting. Now our next requirement. Okay, now our next pattern, I want to print the pattern. I want to print this pattern. Okay, next pattern I want to print. What is that? In alphabets. Okay, with our alphabets I want to print. Okay, inverted right angle triangle, the alphabets. Suppose if you going to enter, what? Suppose if you entered n is equal to 5. Okay, so I want to output what? A 5 times a I want. Okay, in the first row I want to 5 times a. Okay, in the second row I want 4 times b. Okay, in the third row I want c. How much times? 3 times. Then d 2 times and e 1 times. Okay, observe carefully. If you enter n, okay, so number of rows is 5, but start from a. Okay, it is an inverted right angle triangle. Okay, so about to deal with characters, so we need to write the ASCII code. Okay, use the ASCII code. Then chr of, okay, how we can write the logic? Chr of, okay, chr of what? Okay, the first a want means we can write here 65 plus what? I. 65 plus, you can write what? I. Okay, how much times? Nth number of times, n minus I number of time. Okay, what is the ASCII code of capital A? That is 65. So we are getting here 60 a we are getting, yeah. How much times? Yes, n minus I time, that's it. Okay, n minus I times. Okay, so if you enter the n is equal to 5, okay, so we are getting here what? A into how much times? 5 minus I means 0 initially. Okay, its I is 0 initially. can take here when I is equal to 0 first. In the first loop, we will get the A how much times? 5 times. Then I is going to become a what? 1. Okay. Now 65 CHR of 65 plus what is the Y? 1. Okay. In the number of times n minus I. Okay. N minus I times. Okay. 64 means 66. In this where what is that? Which digit is there? B. Then 5 minus 1, that is 4. So B will be print 4 times. That's it, and so on. Okay. Yes, perfect. This our logic is working. Okay, this is the logic. See, the logic is this. CHR of 65. Okay. So do here one thing. CHR of 65. Then plus I. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay. 65 plus I. Let us check this one. Yeah. Let us check this one. Okay. And the number of row 3. Yes, perfectly you are getting triple A, 2 times B, last is C. 5. Okay. 5 times A, 4 times B, 3 times C, 2 times D, 1 times E. Inverted right angle triangle pattern with alphabets. Okay. Now our next requirement. What is the next requirement now? Next pattern. Okay. What is the next pattern now? Okay, I want to print here what? If you enter a 5, I want to print a 5 times, then 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, and 1 times. Okay. See, if you enter here n is equal to 5, I want to 5 times. Okay. Then 4 times. Okay. Then 3 times, 2 times. Okay, 1 times. It's very easy. Okay. What to do here? To here is str of what you need to write? Str of n minus I, whether it will be work or not. N minus I, str of n minus I. 5 minus 0 means 5. Okay, str of 5. 5 will get print with space. How much time? 5 times. Yes, perfect. Okay. Yes, perfectly it will be work. Yes, let us check. Okay, 5. Okay. Yes, we are getting the perfect output. 3. Okay, 3 3 3 2 2 2 and 1. Okay, this is an inverted right angle triangle with digits pattern. Okay, decreasing pattern. Now the same pattern I want in this alphabets in the alphabet. Suppose if you are entering n is equal to 5, so I want its alphabets, that is capital E, capital E. Okay, E 5 times C. Okay, then 4 times D. Okay, then C 3 times. Okay, same logic. Okay, instead of str we need to write here character. That's it. Okay, logic is totally same. Okay, logic is totally same. What to do here, guys? Just instead of str can write here chr. Then chr of what? First letter I want here. Okay, means E must be there. So we need to write here what? 64 plus n minus I. What is 64? If you taken 64 plus 5, what is going to become? 69. Okay, 69. See here, in the 65 we have capital A. Okay, 65. 6 we have capital B, then 67, 67 capital C is there, 68 capital D, and 69 there is a capital E. Yes, perfect. You are getting this capital E now. If you enter the n is equal to 5, that is 69, I is initially 0, the E is will print n minus I times. Okay, means 5 times. Okay, then it will be minus 1. Okay, means 69 to it is going to be 68. So the D will be printed. Perfect. Okay, it will be work. Yeah. So let us check. Let us execute this program. Yes. So written 5. Yes, perfectly you are getting E 5 times, D 4 times, C 3 times, B 2 times, A single times. Okay. 3 triple C twice B single A. Okay. 26 you can write. You will get everything. All these alphabets are going to be print. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this is some patterns. Okay. Thank you.